Hey art friends, it's Miss Quisler back with another art project for you. Today I'm going to show you how to make these sewing practice discs. And hopefully you can fill one up with all of your practice and show me what you've done. Let's go! Alright, I'm going to cut the centers out of 2 paper plates, and I'm going to use a piece of fabric in the middle, and I'm going to attach that with some hot glue, and I'm going to stretch the fabric pretty tight with my hot glue, like this. Once I have it attached all the way around, then I'm going to attach the second paper plate on top. Okay, let's start sewing. First, I have to thread my needle. I like to thread my needle by using the pointy end of the needle to fold the thread in half, like this. And I pinch it with my fingers and I put the folded part through the eye of the needle. This sometimes takes some practice, so go ahead and ask an adult for help if you need it. Once you have your needle threaded on one end of your thread, then you're going to need a knot on the other end, like this. I like to do 2 knots so that my knot is big enough to hold in the fabric. Okay, I'm ready to start sewing. Here is a basic running stitch, and this one is just up and down in a line. Then I have to tie a knot on the back like this so I can cut my thread when I'm done. Okay, here's another kind of stitch that also makes a line, but it makes a solid line instead of a dotted line. So I start by skipping forward a little bit and then going back with my thread in the previous hole that I came up through, like this. Okay, with my purple thread, I'm gonna try some X's. Okay, let me show you how to make a flower. This is gonna start with a star-like shape that has 5 points, all coming up from the middle like this. Then I come up through the middle one last time, and then I take my needle and I weave around the star points like this. Over, under, over, under, over, under. And it fills up like a rose. All right, watch how I attach these buttons. With a button that has 4 holes, it's a little bit like making an X. You can also use your sewing thread to fill in a space with color, almost like coloring with your thread. So I drew a leaf shape here and I'm coming up in the center with my needle, and I'm making my stitch reach all the way to the edges so it fills in the whole space. There you have it, friends. Can't wait to see all of your sewing practice. Happy arting!